always scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose.
Hi, I'm in a really beautiful location in Northern Cyprus, one of our main property locations, really popular currently with property buyers who are looking for something in the Mediterranean Sea, not too expensive but still very nice. So one of the beautiful projects is behind me. It's going to be finished in about another 12 months. Some of the units are already sold. We have studio apartments, 2-room apartments, 3-room apartments and 4-room apartments. 4 rooms, the biggest ones, there's only 2 units. But all the others also are nicely sized because all of them, every single unit, even the economical ones, have either a roof terrace, the studio apartments, or a really nice balcony. From most of the units you have a little bit of a view. All units have a nice view to the mountains and some even a bit to the sea. We have underground hammam, we have a swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, we have fitness, and we even have a restaurant on the side. So it's beautiful. We're like 500 meters to the sea. Right now we're planning a marina. It's already with the construction permission for it, and it's going to be completed till the end of the project or a little bit afterwards. That's going to be a great selling point for these projects here, because usually marinas attract a lot of people and make the area nicer, upgrade the whole area in terms of value. So I'm amazed by this project. It is just nice.
No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go.
We are right now directly at the sea, and we just looked at the villa, if you remember, and a nice new built apartment project. And both will have access to this marina, small marina, boat marina that they're doing here. It's right next to the sea. It's a beautiful location for swimming, for drinking coffee, for taking the boat, for coming here in the summer. And you have really nice panorama view of the mountains as well. And you see nice developments, especially to my right. It's very new. And also on this piece of land and the one behind, there will be other projects being done. So the whole area is currently under strong development.